Hi guys, it's Hannah from Trekitt and I'm here in the beautiful Credon Hill Woods to talk to you about Rab's Arc Jacket. Now the Arc is a lightweight, breathable, waterproof jacket made from Pertex Shield Plus. It makes an ideal all year round mountain jacket, but is also simple enough to be stashed and put in your backpack for a just in case waterproof shell. Pertex are a world leader in fabric technology and they've worked really close with Rab to develop this fabric, which is highly waterproof and really breathable. Unlike other membranes like Gore-Tex and Event, Pertex Shield Plus does not use a microporous membrane. Instead, it uses a PU laminate membrane, which allows moisture vapor to pass through and regulates the breathability of the jacket depending on your output. This means as you work harder, the moisture vapor transfer rate increases, making the jacket more breathable. There is a limit to how breathable a membrane can become though, so if you find that you're getting a bit damp on the inside of the jacket, you may want to address your layering system inside your waterproof. If you want to have a read up on the layering system and see how it can work for you, then follow the link up here to that video. The 3-layer construction of the Arc jacket also adds reliable toughness and means that it's perfectly capable of handling rucksacks and harnesses and that kind of wear. But also another positive of Pertex Shield Plus is that it's really supple and allows the jacket to pack down really small, also will just sit in the bottom of your backpack really nicely. So this is one of the main reasons that we actually put this jacket in the range, is we really love just how soft it is and how well it slides over layers. So let's break down the features. As usual, we'll start from the top and work our way down. So the hood is helmet compatible, so it's a really generous size and fits really nicely over the top of a helmet. But when you're not wearing a helmet, it cinches down really nicely so it doesn't flap around in the wind. So it's got a draw cord in the back to pull it nice and tight over your head, and then 2 draw cords in the front to further seal out that wind. This beautiful hood is also wire peaked, which really helps keep the driving rain out of your eyes. When you're not using the hood, it features a roll top Velcro closure so you can just cinch it down so it doesn't flap around in the wind. Moving on to the front of the jacket has 2 very generously sized hand pockets, which have YKK AquaGuard zips. It's a really good place to store maps or gloves. The jacket also has 2 Velcro closures around the wrists to help seal out the terrible weather. It also features a lovely hem draw cord at the bottom, and that'll as well just help keep all of that cold wind from blowing up your back. The zip at the front is also YKK AquaGuard, and it has a dual internal storm flap to again just protect from all that rain. So I'm 5'1" and I weigh roughly about 50 kilos, and I'm wearing a women's size 8 or an extra small. The Arc fits into Rab's regular fit size block, and that basically means that it's nicely tailored without being restrictive, and also allows you to fit a couple of extra layers underneath on the really chilly days. It's also nicely tailored at the back, so it's got a longer back length, so that just covers your bum and protects you from the elements a little bit more. The Arc jacket is a waterproof outer shell, commonly referred to as a hard shell, so which means that it works really well to protect you from strong winds on cold days right up to torrential downpours. If you want to have a look at a more in-depth video into our layering system and how it may best work for you, then just follow the link up here. So that's it guys, that's the Arc jacket from Rab. A waterproof jacket that's breathable and tough enough to join you on all of your mountain adventures, be it walking, climbing, scrambling, or when you decide to go up one of our beautiful peaks. So hopefully I've managed to cover everything in this video, but as usual, if you have any questions or comments, or you just want to say hi, then pop them in the comments section below. We really do love hearing off you guys. Other than that, I will see you next time. Bye!